How to create email signature in Outlook. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that easily. So first you can open your Outlook app and then go to your file here in the top navigation and then you can click settings. In this page you can navigate to the accounts. Next you can go to your signatures here and then if you have multiple emails you will be asked to choose the one you want to add the signature. So I have one email in this app, so I'm gonna just click add signature here. And now you can, name it. You can maybe name it signature one. Now you can create your signature. You can maybe type your name and then your phone number, maybe, or your site. So if you want to add your site, you have to create a link or hyperlink. You can click insert here, and then you can choose hyperlink and then you can choose the text display, so maybe my site, just for example, and you can add your site, maybe like this, and then you can just click OK and it will be like this. And also you can add logo for your company or your brand. You can add picture here and you can upload it, and then you can just choose set default for new message or set default for replace and forward. It's up to you. I'm gonna choose both and just click save, and it's done. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.